Hey guys, Lucas here from Phillis Ford in Christie's Beach. I just wanted to get a quick walk around video for you of this absolutely beautiful 2017 90,000 kilometer Toyota Kluger GX with a beautiful polished aluminium ECB BullBar on the front there, and really lovely condition right throughout, from front to back, inside and out. It is a truly beautiful vehicle, as you can see there. Really lovely pearl white paint. The alloy wheels are in great shape. There's no chips, scratches, dents or anything like that, and all four tyres are in good condition as well. On the back of the vehicle here we do have this genuine Toyota tow bar kit, which comes with a 7-pin flat plug and a heavy duty steel tow bar. In the back of the Kluger we have the enormous cargo space here, which is a it's either your boot or your 6th and 7th seat, so the cargo barrier here can be put in if you'd like to do so. But if that is removed from the vehicle, then the 6th and 7th seats do pull up, which is why these seat belts are tucked away tidy at the moment. Some cargo space just underneath the flooring there, and then as we move around the side of the vehicle, again you can see inside and outside really nice condition. The seats themselves are, I don't know whether they were ever used, but they are in really lovely shape. You can even see just in the back seat here, for example, there's no carpet mats down to protect the carpet or anything like that, and there's near enough no debris in the carpet or on the seats. So if ever anybody has been sat back there, they've done a really good job of keeping it nice and clean. You can see here in the center console you've got temperature control and fan speed control for the rear occupants, and then in the rear of the vehicle you have the air conditioning vents in the ceiling or the roof of the vehicle there, so that's coming down straight toward the passengers, keeping them nice and comfortable. Running boards along the side of the vehicle make it nice and easy to jump in and out, and they are weight bearing as well, so you can step on them to jump in. As you can see there, we have 90,555 kilometers on the clock. A really nice place to be. The entertainment unit in this is huge. It looks absolutely fantastic, and it works really well with the integrated system. In the center console here, a really nice big deep open center console, so you can pop your purse in here, handbag in there, you know, whatever it is that you might want to store and keep away from prying eyes. Lock it up and it looks nice and tidy. 2 drink holders, and then obviously being an automatic, we've got our automatic gear shifter, and this really lovely little shelf along here as well, which is good for storing, you know, tissues, glasses, phones, anything like that. And this dash mat has been fitted since new, I do believe, so it's done a great job of protecting the soft leather dashboard in this vehicle. But a really nice vehicle overall. Now, it does have a brake controller fitted, so I would imagine that the vehicle has towed in the past. What has it towed, I could not tell you, but it doesn't appear to have done too much hard work. It's a very lovely car, really honest car, and if you do have any further questions about it, I'd be happy to take you through the answers. So once again, it's Lucas here from Phillis Ford in Christie's Beach, just regarding the 2017 Toyota Kluger. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks guys.